Hi everyone, this is Louise. Today I want to walk you through how I paint this giraffe and this cheetah with oil paints. Let's get started. So I'm using a canvas board, 11 by 14 inches. I painted the background with some matte emulsion because I really like the flat colours. What I do then is I paint the silhouette of the animal with white acrylic, which is my base to paint onto. I make the paint quite thin and apply base colours to the whole animal. And then at this stage I can start to build up the colours and start to layer. So what you can do is you've got your base colours on, and at this stage you can start to work into the paint whilst it's still semi-wet, and you can really easily blend and manipulate the colours together and start to work on things like softness and detail and texture. Giraffes have such beautiful faces and I love their eyes. It's strange, whilst I'm painting this, I'm literally creating a character for him. So his name is Gustav. He's quite shy and he's got a lisp. So now it's time for the cheetah, who I ended up naming Sebastian. He's a very serious guy, very intense. But he has a heart of gold, basically. He just looks a bit stern. So as you can see, I decided to change the background colour. And it's been lovely, like building up his body and all those base colours. So I'm really enjoying here, blending the colours whilst they're still wet, layering, just pushing the colours around with the oils, which is an amazing quality of oil paint, and just starting to really build up the layers, and you can watch him start to take shape. So finally the spots are starting to appear and his cheetah personality starts to become clearer. Quite roughly applying just blobs of brown, and then with experimenting with different brushes, I'm just trying to softly blend it together so you get the sense of the fur, and he's definitely starting to look fluffier. Body is actually a lot of work, trying to get the sense of his shape and his bulk and this lovely white front of his chest, little fluffy chin, starting to put on some whiskers. Wow, he's really got a stare, hasn't he? So as you can see, I paint from a picture on my iPad because it's much easier to work from than a photograph or a printout. And just adding more and more details on little fluffy bits to his head. And you can see just as time goes along, he's just getting more and more realistic. He's really coming to life. What a novice YouTuber, I forgot to film the last bit where I added all those final touches and details to his face. Won't do that again. But here you can see the two paintings together, and I am starting to work with a print on demand company, and I'm going to get these both printed up as a pair of canvases. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye.